Hey, welcome to the Package School. Today we will discuss BOPP tape's meaning, applications, and its benefits. What is BOPP tape? BOPP packing tape is made from biaxially oriented polypropylene (BOPP) film. Polypropylene is a thermoplastic polymer, which means it is pliable above a certain temperature and returns to the solid state after cooling. The structure also makes the automated and manual application of the packaging tape easier. BOPP, biaxially oriented polypropylene, is a polypropylene film that is biaxially oriented. This means the film is stretched in both the machine direction, MD, and across machine direction, AMD. The result is a material with superior strength at low gauges, flatness, clarity, and excellent printability. The polypropylene film substrate's reasonable economics, conformability, and fatigue resistance make it ideal for packaging, labeling, and graphic applications. Biaxially oriented polypropylene film is a thermoplastic polymer film of polypropylene with an orderly molecular structure formed by the biaxial orientation process. BOPP laminated polypropylene is the acronym for biaxially oriented polypropylene, outside, over polypropylene, woven interior, a petroleum byproduct. Uses of BOPP tape. 1. Sealing cartons and boxes for shipping and storage. 2. Food and beverage packaging for moisture resistance and clarity. 3. Labeling and branding due to its excellent printability. E-commerce packaging for safe delivery of products. Reinforcing tertiary packs during transport ensures product protection. 6. Retail packaging for neat appearance and tamper resistance. Benefits of BOPP tape. BOPP tape is resistant to abrasion, chemicals, bursting, and moisture. Its surface is easy to print and coat, ideal for custom printed tapes. The tape can be easily slit as needed. Being a thermoplastic polymer, it works well in both low and high temperatures. It commonly uses hot melt synthetic rubber adhesive for quick and strong sealing. The adhesive also resists UV, heat, and shear. The outstanding features that complement the BOPP tapes are excellent clarity and high gloss, flawless dimensional stability and flatness, wrinkle and shrink proof, non-toxic and recyclable. Thanks for joining us. If you learned something in this video, like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.